Hey everyone, Doug here with Big Red Pen. In this quick fix, we'll be looking at gerunds. It's an ugly word that a lot of writers and bloggers don't even know how to pronounce, much less what it means. Gerunds are a form of nominalization. Now we'll be looking at nominalization in our next video, but it's important to understand gerunds before we get there. Put simply, gerunds are when you take a verb and turn it into a noun by adding ing. Let's dissect that definition because it's easy to confuse present participle verbs with gerunds, and I don't want you to get them mixed up. What's most important about gerunds is that adding the ing to the verb turns it into a noun. It is no longer a verb and no longer describes someone or something performing an action. A gerund is no longer the action in the sentence. Let's clarify with a few examples. Now remember, the gerund is a verb that has become a noun by adding ing. My writing was immediately improved thanks to the course. Driving is something he is bad at. She hates shopping. In the first example, writing is the gerund. In the second, driving, and shopping is the gerund in the third example. But why does it matter? The casual uses of gerunds can create weaker and muddled writing and can easily lead to a passive voice. However, not all gerunds are bad. Let's see if we can change our examples to improve them by either moving the gerund or getting rid of it. My writing was immediately improved thanks to the course becomes, thanks to the course, my writing immediately improved. Notice how we removed the was to turn the sentence into the active voice and rearranged it to make writing flow a bit better. Driving is something he is bad at. Turns into, he's a bad driver. We eliminated the gerund, driving, in this sentence and made it active. Lastly, she hates shopping actually stays as she hates shopping. This sentence is already active and the gerund does not muddle it at all. It could be improved by specifying what she likes shopping for, but that's ultimately up to you. The best thing that you can do with gerunds is to just get good at identifying them. Once you can do that, you can look at your writing and see if that gerund can be rearranged or removed to create a stronger sentence, or if it's just okay where it is. Now leave a comment down below that uses a gerund in a sentence and make it passive if you want. Then rewrite the sentence to make it active and choose whether you want to keep the gerund or just get rid of it. Then try changing someone else's comment in a way that they didn't. And if you like these quick fixes, leave us a like and subscribe for more easy ways to improve your writing. We have a growing number of tips and we'll have a handy worksheet and some reference sheets for gerunds and nominalizations this week too. Happy writing!